Hey family, Thick and Curly here. So I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize my hair slash like the steamer greenhouse effect method. I do not have a steamer, so whenever my hair is feeling dry, I make sure I do this method about once a week just to get some moisture in there. So right now you see me spraying it with a water combination. I have a little bit of oil in there and maybe some leave-in conditioner, but right here I'm using the Bay Rose Water. I'll have the product link listed below, and then I'm going to use some Bay leave-in conditioner. It's my absolute favorite leave-in conditioner from my Locs. It's light, but it has a wonderful smell. This right here is Pink Lotus Hair Products. I'm using their hair growth oil. I put that all over my scalp. And then I make sure I pay extra attention to massaging it in my scalp. So not just like letting it sit there, but you're gonna see right here, you wanna get those fingertips in there and massage it in all over my scalp. And then I'm gonna go back to Bay before anything else. I'm gonna use their Shine and put it all over my locks, the actual shaft of my hair. Make sure it's a good enough moisture. Right here, I'm feeling it and I can see that colored part and my tips are a little bit dry still. So I'm gonna add a little bit more leave-in conditioner. Get a plastic shower cap. That part is important. Plastic shower cap. And on top of that, I'm gonna put a bonnet. Now I'm sure to put my tight bonnet, not my big loose one. See the difference? I'm gonna use the smaller of the two so that it's not too loose in there. I want it to be nice and tight. And depending on what I'm doing, I sometimes add my turban or I sometimes tie it around just to make it even tighter so the steam and the moisture stay in. So you see right here, I did end up using my scarf around the edges of my hair. And you guys, I don't know if you could see what I feel. It is so moisturized. My hair feels good. It doesn't feel dry and crunchy anymore. My scalp smells absolutely amazing. My products usually have peppermint or something in them, so I'm just getting a whole little whiff right here. I'm just showing you guys like it's healthy. It keeps them moisturized so they're not itching and breaking off. So I would definitely try this method for those of us who do not have a steamer but you want to still get some moisture in your hair. It's very similar to like the LOC method or the lock method we would do with loose natural hair. Same type of vibe that you're doing, just keeping your locks nice and moisturized. And now I'm just showing you guys and playing. I hope you enjoyed it. Love you guys so much. Peace and blessings, Thick and Curly. Also, be sure to stay tuned for my next video on my lipsticks. Peace. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow me on all social media.